Hello guys, this is Vidya and the registration number URK17CS100. Today we are going to discuss about web page design using html5 and css3. So here our aim is to create a web page using proper html5 and css3. So for this I am going to go to the HTML. Normally I am going to give the link as here. For creating a style sheet, I am giving it as style sheet, which is CSS. So CSS is cascading style sheet. So here I am giving it as link rel. This is a keyword. Rel equal to style sheet in inverted commas, and type is text slash CSS. And href I am giving it as experiment3.css. Header I am giving it as Karunya University. Now in body I am going to, in unordered list, I'm going to give it as I'm setting it as index registration, and then I'm also giving academic calendar, dates and student. So here this is the unordered list, and in section class we have to give it as section class equal to banner. This is the keyword class equal to banner, which should be kept in the inverted commas, and also you have to give section class equals to text. And then here I am giving the paragraph for which I am creating ID, as in first experiment I have created the ID equal to P1, and then I am closing the section. And another sections I am creating. So firstly I am giving section class equal to thumbnail1, thumbnail, and then I am going to give the paragraph reference ID as P2, in which I am saying reference. So in this way I am having all the thumbnails set up, and then I am closing the HTML. And for this we need to download few images, where I have downloaded here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 images I have downloaded. And then here I am creating a CSS file. For that we need to go to site root and right click and new, and then here we will be getting cascading style sheet. So where I have kept the style sheet. So let's go to the cascading style sheet. So firstly we need to give the numbers, that is paragraph 1 and paragraph 2, that is we are referencing to that paragraph. So here I am giving it as, and I am saying that the color should be in red. And here also I am giving the margin, that is top, bottom, left and right. I am giving it as 0. And in header I am going to say the font family, that is how the font should look like, and also the background color, and also the style, size and alignment. And then I am giving the background color, and then text shadow and line height, in which I am giving all the dimensions here. So in navigation I am giving it as width is equal to 100%, and in unordered list I am giving the color, background color, font family, and padding left, padding. We have the content box, so in which padding will be there. So we are going to give the dimensions for padding left, padding right, padding bottom and padding top. And then in the list I am going to give float the left. So in the same way I am going to give the display, text decoration, text align and padding. So here the hover is a keyword. So here I am using LIA, which is this, and then hover. Here I am giving the background color and the color also. So in index we have created some section class called banner. So here I am using it here dot banner. Here I am going in banner what type of images you want to keep. So background image and the background repeat, background size, display, position, width and height. And also I am here giving text as an index HTML5. This is the section class text. So text also, for that dot text I am giving background color, and then margin top, bottom, margin left and opacity. And then here as is given in the index HTML, thumbnail 1, thumbnail 2, thumbnail 3, I am doing all the thumbnails as thumbnail 2, and then here I am giving background image, height, width, position, display and background size. For everything I have done. So let's check the output. Here I have given it as Karunya University. This is the home page. Here we are having the image, and then above that we are opacity, the transparency is less, so we can read the text here. So this is our text, and then here are the 3 images position, and here I have given it as reference and then institution and then students. So in this way we are going to perform the CSS operation. Thank you for watching.